Thank you, Dan. The federal government reports a record 93,000 people died by overdose last year, an increase of nearly 30%. As 7 News' Ann Maxwell reports, the increase in Greenville County last year wasn't far behind.
Experts say the anxiety and isolation of the pandemic contributed to overdoses. Those struggles, coupled with the prevalence of fentanyl, proved to be a deadly cocktail. 93,000 people dead from overdoses. According to Senior Deputy Coroner DILL, 186 of them were in Greenville County.
We've seen a big increase.
He says overdoses were up 27.4% from 2019 to 2020. For local recovery advocate Mike TODD, the numbers are crushing.
If I have to hold another crying mom, these are people's children, and these are people's husbands and wives and fathers and mothers.
He says he thinks the stress of the pandemic and the way social distancing kept people apart contributed.
A lot of people in recovery were struggling to get to meetings.
He says Zoom just wasn't enough. Another contributor is fentanyl, a synthetic opioid the CDC says is 50 to 100 times more potent than morphine. Data from the Centers for Disease Control suggest fentanyl was involved in more than 60% of overdose deaths last year. DILL says that's consistent with what he sees in Greenville County almost every day.
I would say we're at least 60%, maybe even a little higher than that.
He says it's often mixed with other drugs.
For a long time, it was typically heroin and fentanyl, and then we began to see cocaine and fentanyl. Right now, in our little market, what we seem to be seeing more of would be methamphetamine and fentanyl.
About a quarter as many people died by overdose as those killed by COVID-19 in the United States last year. For Todd, it's a reminder of a parallel pandemic that urgently needs attention.
There's only so much we can do. We need funding.
The coroner says overdose deaths continue to remain elevated so far in 2021. In Greenville, Ann Maxwell, 7 News.
According to the CDC, overdose deaths across South Carolina appear to have risen more than 50% last year. A Boiling Springs man is dead after